Hey everyone, welcome back on Weekly Crypto Review, episode 102. Good morning, Stefan. Good morning, Emmanuel. Good morning, Andrei. I don't know if it's morning, but good something. Okay, we can start the Weekly Crypto Review. I see 7, 8, 10 people joining. If we have a good audio and a nice live stream, please tell me in the chat. The lag should be at minimum. I'm not transmitting at the colossal quality. Okay, thank you, Bucor. So, I'll start with Capua 1. We'll start in February. If you want to join us, 3 places available only. I have kind of 8 or 9 people already discussing about Capua 1, but who'll pay first, that will get the place. Now, before we'll talk about the news and what happened in this week and what could mean, let's start with Bitcoin on weekly chart. Yeah? Let's keep our focus. Let's keep our consistency. Okay, so Geek, please join Discord, find the channel, and you'll find all the details. Now, Bitcoin on weekly chart. We have to admit that we are damn strong. I don't see too much bearishness here. Some potential bearish divergence here, okay, maybe, but RSI is trying to fight and get back in the overbought area. OBV is fighting to push back higher. Honestly, I don't see too much bearishness for the moment. It's possible at any point in time to retest Wyckoff check 75 or to test 90 again. Yes. Some people said, well, it's impossible for Bitcoin to touch 75 again. Not quite. It's a normal thing to do to retest the previous support. For the moment, we are strong and we are respecting this range. We discussed about that. Here at the lows at 90, I was yelling, saying, people, it's a range, let's think as a deviation and let's buy the shit out of it. Everyone was bearish on Twitter and all the influencers panicking. Now, well, look at Bitcoin. You bought the dip, Anon? They didn't start to say too much because altcoins are not pumping yet, but they will. So, in my view, on weekly chart, we still have 7 hours, 8 hours until this candle will close. If we'll close like this is damn strong, people. Look at this candle. We started, the low is 89 and the high it's 105. So, that's what I'm talking about, high volatility in the market. We will get probably bigger candles, bigger weekly candles in the top, yes. But for the moment, at least we are not consolidating like we had on this candle or here at 68, 1-2 weeks of nothing. For the moment, we are pushing. Could be buy the rumor, sell the news with Trump inauguration? Possibly. I don't like that scenario because Trump inauguration is not an event that will happen tomorrow. Because after inauguration, Trump will put some things in order, at least what he said, and will take longer for that event. It's a, I don't know, 2 weeks, 1 month event. It's not, well, Trump is in, let's dump the market. It's not that easy. And you saw this week what happened. For the moment, I'm forced to think range here. I'm forced to think, well, I'm not hunting long ideas here at 105. If I'll see EMs on lower time frames, yes, I could hedge short. But only on Bitcoin and only to hedge, people. The market is damn strong for the moment. So that's my weekly overview on Bitcoin. Market is strong. We are accepted clearly above 100K. We are still playing the range game, so we expect a rejection from, or an SFU of 108. But depending how strong the market is, we can push even higher. That's weekly chart. Let's see the rest. Ethereum chart. Everyone was bearish, no? I think so. Even 2 or 3 hours ago, when the market was the lows here, everyone was bearish. And I managed to say on premium part, well, people, this is not a chart, looking at Ethereum versus Bitcoin, this is not a chart where you should be bearish. Without exception. 8.6 shark level is not to think short. And after, I don't know, half an hour, they start to push some narratives, some good news, something nice. Trump Foundation selling Solana and buying Ethereum, and so on. I saw what happened last time when the Ethereum versus Bitcoin was at the lows. And I learned my lesson. What we can say about this weekly chart? Clearly underperforming for the moment. We are not in the short reload zone yet. Hopefully this will change in next month, next month. Let's just call it that way. Okay. I think Ethereum will attack 4,100 pretty fast, and then maybe we can even go to test the all-time high. I know everyone is bearish. I know that not everyone, at least 90% of the people are bearish. But that's how the market is working. Let's remove the drawings and let's see what we have here. What we did here, we just retested this weekly W, people. Nothing less, nothing more. So we are in an uptrend because we have higher highs, higher lows on higher time frame. Now you can see after this W, higher highs and higher lows. We retested this level, and here, if you look at Ethereum versus Bitcoin, you see 8.6. And you want me to be bearish there? No, impossible. I think this was a correction, was a retest. The market could push and test the highs here at 4,100, 4,800, and then we can push higher. Will take 1 day, will take 1 week, will take 1 month, 3 months, I don't know. But I'm bullish on what I see on this chart. This chart looks bullish. Ethereum versus Bitcoin doesn't have a bottom, but has a good location. So thinking, well, Bitcoin will outperform forever. I don't think so. Well, we need Bitcoin, but we don't need Ethereum. Somehow I remember, and if I open my journal, I clearly see I had the same signs last time Ethereum versus Bitcoin was at the bottom. Same thinking, same approach, same, well, Bitcoin is everything, Ethereum will die, Vitalik is stupid. Simple. Yeah, indeed, Vitalik did some stupid things the last couple of months, but it's not about only Vitalik. A lot of people have a lot of money in Ethereum. And you can see some of them, they are pushing back. They are saying, well, what the fuck you're doing? I have my money here. If you don't know how to pump it, let me do it. I'll do it. And you saw some examples on Twitter. All Vitalik needs to do, they don't have to develop anything. They just need to step away and just let some people do their work. Because in this environment, it's easy to pump. Ethereum, at least. So he doesn't need to lower the fees. He doesn't need to do anything. Just need to get the fuck out. Let me pump it. And some people said it publicly. Well, let me pump this coin. Don't post stupid things. Don't post hippos. Don't post your girlfriend. Let me do it. And it's easy to do. Anyway, Ethereum here, I'll be honest, I don't think this will stay here for long. But it's just my 2 cents. For the moment, if you look at the market and you look at the indicators, you can see a range here. From 4,100 to 2,100. $2,000 big range here. Yeah? And we are still in the range. My opinion is that we'll attack the highs and we'll push higher, but just my 2 cents. Let's look at Ethereum versus Bitcoin because we discussed that. Without any tools, anything, blindly look at the chart. Let's put a volume. You can see something in that volume. People, this chart is from 2015. You can see something on this chart. Bochan, you are here. People who know, who learn, who know what this indicator is telling us. Is this POC telling you something? I could be bearish here at the POC on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Even if we'll push to 0.02, even if we'll push lower on short term. Look what happened last time. Yeah, up and down, and we have a W here. Well, not yet. We probably will form a W. Will take some time. But we should look for Ws, not to short Ethereum versus Bitcoin, or not to short Ethereum in general. It's that simple, people. I'll put the ink and you'll see. We are exactly at 78.6 here. Look left, POC, support, 78.6. Look at this support here. Look at this line. And you want me to be bearish here? Well, sorry, people. I'll let you be bearish here. I'll try to find long opportunities. 2 years ago, everyone was saying Ethereum is the best, Solana is shit. Solana will never recover. And we had the same discussion. Well, I don't think Solana is shit. I think Solana will recover. And people said, no, never. Solana is dead. And now, the discussion is the same, just that Solana eats everything and Ethereum is dead. Is this time different? Draw your own conclusion, people. Draw your own conclusion. I'm not here to give you financial advices. I'm here just to tell you my 2 cents and what I'm doing in the market with my own money. Yeah, we have a community. Yeah, some people are getting some ideas from my part and are gladiators. But in the end, it's still your 100% your responsibility what you do with your own money. Okay? Please don't be the public. I said it last couple of weeks. I'll say it again. Don't be the public. The public is thinking Ethereum is dead and Solana it's everything. Solana it's up almost $300. And now I should buy Solana because Solana it's everything and I should sell Ethereum. A rubber band, if you stretch it too much, what happens? Either it breaks, either it comes back and slaps you. This looks like it's overextended. So decide for yourself, people. But in my view, clear. We have one reason, 78.6 location here. Indicators. Look at this RSI here. You can see something you like here. It's weekly chart, people. Low, higher low, W confirming here. This is a bullish confirmed divergence on RSI on weekly chart. Okay. We have a lower low here on the price and a higher low on the OBV. That could tell you something. It's a potential here. I could see this candle closing green. Yeah, I could. It's probable that will close green. So people, even if you have a couple of hours, don't be the public. It's all I'm trying to say here. I'm not saying, well, exactly this is the bottom. But again, people are bearish at the bottom. It's all I'm trying to say here. Now, let's look at Bitcoin dominance to see what we have on weekly. Let's hide the ink. We kind of have a range here. It's fucking around. Sorry about my language. But it's just doing something we did too many times. This time we have a location. Big M here. A rejection from 61.8 probably. Let's put it back. Support and resistance here. Okay. But overall we have a range. We can them out? Yeah. We can push lower? Yes. But in the same time, we don't know what will happen. Strange things happened last couple of years, people. After COVID, we got stranger and uglier and uglier. Let's just say it like that. We can see a ugly event that will push Bitcoin all the way up at 70% and then back down. Possible. If I'll go on daily, I think on daily we have more things to say about it. Yeah? On daily, I put the orange scenario, the red scenario, the green scenario. Green scenario is out. We have red and orange. For the moment, I think orange is has a bigger probability to execute. But red on Bitcoin dominance being bullish is not completely out. Please look at daily candle here. What that tells you? That things are moving. Indecision, but things are moving here. So people, prepare yourself. Okay, you are a bit extra careful on the Trump inauguration. Get the fuck out from futurists. Go on spot. There are a lot of altcoins testing the lows. Okay, you are not exactly at the SFU level, but you are close enough. If you think 1, 3, 6 months from now on, you think you can get a double from these levels, at least? I think so. So don't stay on hot wallets. Don't go and buy on futures with high leverage. Go on spot and buy the big ones. Buy the ones you trust. Buy the ones you know they have a big community and will recover faster. Okay? You'll sell your Ethereum if you go to zero. Well, I just told you that something about Ethereum. I was speaking by myself, Andrei. Last chance to sell it, David. Please sell it. You'll sell it to me. I'll tell you that. Bitcoin dominance, I think I have the probability 55 to push lower. It's enough. We fucked around enough. We took some liquidity above. Now, please show me this level. I want to see a daily candle close below this level, and then I could tell you, well, look at a nice EM, a big EM there, and probably will push even lower. That's bullish for altcoins. But for the moment, you can see the candle. Just ugly. Total market cap. People, same story. Same story over and over again. As long as we are holding on weekly, daily basis above $3 trillion, I'm bullish as fuck. Damn bullish. More bullish than a lot of moon boys. They think they are bullish, they are just stupid, but honestly, I'm bullish. Simple. Nothing to say more about this one. If we'll accept above this high, 3.7, to the moon. Where is Bukur? He's the fan of to the moon. Now let's look at total tree. Similar story. We had this level, $1 trillion. And I said, we'll fight this level. It's too important, it's too big, and we'll fight it up and down, up and down. For the moment, we are still fighting. How we'll know that the fight it's almost over or is probably over? Well, I think simple as that. Give me a daily candle close above this high, week high, close above, and then I could say, well, okay, the fight, it's the bulls won. Don't expect to push straight up, expect a retest of the levels after the breakout, but I could see a breakout here. Definitely, we can see here, TRI guys, David, you can see here a bot setup. No? I could blindly, just with the corner of my eye, I could see that's a bot setup. On higher time frame, indeed, bot is there. An AB equals CD is possible. An AB equals CD is pointing out 1.5 and even higher. So, unfortunately, people, I'll tell you a sad story. Today, a friend of mine called me and told me that he's out. Out from the market. He cannot stand the market anymore. He hoped too much time. It's all a trick. It's all just to grab your money. He doesn't want to participate anymore. And he's out in a loss. Sad. He marked the bottom probably. Was his decision. Didn't ask me first and then to take the decision. He did it, and then after that he told me, so nothing I can do about it. I told him that will be harder to emotionally to miss everything than to lose some money. He didn't listen. But I think we are up to something here in the next couple of months. Yeah, he sold everything, he's in cash. He wants to withdraw the money from crypto. Well, after, if you do something and then you tell me what decision you took after you sold everything, I will not try to do anything. Sorry. I'm not here to force anyone. Maybe he's right, who knows? I'm joking. Anyway, now, total 3 here. If we'll accept above, we can push a lot higher. We can see next 2-3 months pushing really hard and create a super cycle or at least a top. I think we can. I think we can do that. We'll be the top and then we'll have a 4 years bear market. I don't fucking know. But what I know, the market is looking really strong and we can push higher. In the same time, I want to tell you a thing. Don't fucking chase the market, because at any point in time, tomorrow, next week, we could clean on the shorter end. We can clean everything with a dark maul candle. That's why we said that Trump inauguration is dangerous, because we can have a cleanup in the market. So please don't chase. Stay on spot. Okay, people. So this is my view on total 3. Now, if you want me to take a look at some altcoins here, well, people, why not? But let's take the ones that they lost percentage-wise. You think this is a good area to buy this coin? And please don't tell me that it's dead and will never recover. I heard that story too many times, people. Well, you can see we are in the POC. Look at this candle. Why it's so big? Because this is the big volume. Smart money they are accumulating. Look at this one. Similar story, people. Similar, look at it. You think it's a good area to buy this one here? Come on. Look at this one. Look at Luna. Look at Open. Just look at it. You think we have a nice location here for us to buy some coins? Or, well, I don't want to invest. I want to trade. You think we can get some 4 hours daily Ws here and that will mark the bottom again and we can push higher again? Well, let's wait for the Ws to happen. Let's wait for the Ws to enter the market. This one, you think this one after this long consolidation will go to 0? Peer? Vulcan? You think that? I don't have more money to buy it. I'm full of this one. If I said I'm not allowed to touch it, even if Bitcoin, let's say if Bitcoin will hit 70k and everything will dump and I'll lose the lows, then okay, I'll get some money from my reserves and then I'll execute a different plan, a special plan. But honestly, I have my bags full of peer. I cannot buy more. I'm just waiting. Similar here, similar on almost everything, people. You can see here. I said something, no? If I remember correctly. We are in the W formation here. We are trying to form the W here. We can SFU the lows, maybe, maybe not. But give me a daily W and I'll be more than happy to buy it. And tons of altcoins, they are looking similar. And you are still on the sidelines waiting. Okay. Up to you. I don't think it's the point to look at the entire list. A lot of them, they are looking nice. This one is trying to form a W. RSR, it's a bit stronger. SSV, you can see nice location. Everything is looking attractive from my point of view. I'm sorry that I don't have more money to buy them. My plan says stop, that's the limit, and I have to respect my plan. But I'm bullish, yeah. Damn, I'm bullish. We can see testing the lows, so what? I still have the coins. It's just an SFU, we'll take the lows and then we'll push higher. But I could stay on the sidelines just for that SFU, and that SFU will never come and I'll be on the sidelines the entire bull market. I don't think it's a good strategy. Yeah. And we'll take some requests at the end, but everything looks similar. Look at this, TIA. Well, that's the correct price for TIA here, $4.8. I don't know. I'm just asking for a friend. SSV, again. That's the correct price for SSV, and a lot of people I know are bullish on this one. That's the correct price? Okay, don't buy it then. Well, that's my overview, people. Let's go and talk about what Trump did today. Now, I said we'll talk about some news. Let's start with the beginning. I'll tell you my story, my way of seeing things. Here at 1.7, 1.5, here in this area, they created Twitter and they posted, this is the official Trump coin, meme coin or whatever. And was in the middle of the night for us, who was live and didn't bought it. Stupid, because seeing a coin like this here below $10 and you didn't bought it is just stupid. Okay? I don't recommend you to chase here. That was the first idea. At 4 a.m. in the morning in Romanian time zone. Sorry, people. I still need to sleep for 4-6 hours, even if it's the bull market. And we had a retracement here. We front ran 38.2. We had some support and we pushed higher. I bought some Trump here. Then I bought some Trump here when we retested again. But low amounts. I'm not buying too much. Okay. Here in the top, as premium members know, I shorted Trump. Took my profit off. Okay. What I'm thinking here, in my 2 cents, this coin has a range now between 25 to 100, pretty simple. Could push to 100 in no time. 100 because it's a big fat round number and probably will be attractive. And 25 because I could see some support here. I think anyone that has some money on the sidelines, some USDC or some Solana, will buy Trump at 25 cents, $25 if we'll see a sharp drop or something. Maybe public, no. Maybe some people will be scared, but big money will buy it. That's for sure, because they know that it's easy to pump it back. That the problem is, the big money, they don't want 10x. You don't get that. Big money will buy at 25 and will fucking sell at 50. It's that simple, people. If you have $50 million and you buy a meme coin at $25, you will not sell at $50? I think you will. You just made fucking $50 million. You don't need a 10x, you don't need anything else. You double your money. For you, one trade and bull market is done. If you did. It's stupid to invest everything you have, but you got the idea. So they are playing a different game. Big money are not playing the same game as us. Okay? I could see Trump pushing higher. Yeah, I could see 100, I could see 200. I don't know where the fuck top is. I don't care. I'm not here to buy Trump coin. I'm here for the entire bull market, people. If I miss the entry on Trump, okay, then I'll just leave it alone. I have some, but not too much. Like I said, I bought here in this area. Not too much, just to have some exposure. If this one will go to $2,000, every American wants to hold a Trump coin. Why not? Let me participate. I'll be happy. In the same time, if we'll go to zero tomorrow, I'll not suffer too much. So that's how I position myself in this case. Simple as that. Okay. So I don't recommend you to do anything here. Yeah, I know a scalper like Stefan shorted the top with me here, and he closed his trade probably, and now he's waiting to see what happens. We'll test, we'll SFU this high, we'll stop in the short, reload zone, what will happen. My 2 cents is that we'll take the high, we'll push higher, and then we'll form something. I don't know. Hopefully, Stefan managed to post it on VIP, so some VIP people managed to take the short. Hopefully, it's weekend. I know Stefan is out, is not at his desk, so it's hard to post, to trade, and keep everything in check. I know that. So on Trump news, on Trump coin, AB equals CD is completed here. Couldn't consolidate. I don't know. I don't touch this one anymore. It's that simple. I want to show you something nice. Okay, let's go on the website. I said it on Twitter, on Discord already multiple times, but let me say it again. You can see the site here, Get Trump Memes, not meme.com. That should be a fucking clue for anyone. The Trump team doesn't intend to stop with one fucking meme coin. At least that's how I see what I'm reading on the screen. Get Trump memes, not meme. It's a coincidence they put this site here, this name? No, I don't think so. Another thing, if Trump, as a president, because it's a president, tomorrow will be a president, it's just the president. If the president of the United States can put a meme coin with a small disclaimer and nothing will happen, the smaller influencers, all the people with a lot of followers will do the fucking same thing. So let's hunt people. We are a community. Yeah? Doesn't matter if you are on general chat, if you are on premium. If you see something nice, if you see a tweet like this, like Trump, you see it in the first 10 minutes, feel free to post on general chat, feel free to tag everyone, feel free to DM me. Yeah? And I'm talking with everyone here. Because if Trump did that, a lot of people are waiting to see the results. Couple of days. And then they will start doing the same fucking thing. Which could bring more public, which could bring more money in the market, and that will form the super cycle. Money will not stay in the meme coins. Money will fuck around here and there. When a new meme coin is launched, big money, not only the creator of the coin, not only that star will benefit, a lot of smart money will come and take the money from the public. And they'll use that money to buy something that is low. And then you can see that super cycle. It's just a hypothesis. It's just an idea, David. But that's the most likely to happen. So if you want super cycle, think about will happen because Vitalik adopted a hippo? No. Will happen because, I don't know, Peer is the best altcoin ever and has only 3 million coins? No. Public is not interested about utility people. They want hype, and they are attracted by the hype, by the Trump post, by the, I don't know, anyone with a lot of followers. That's why they are his followers. They all follow him. Yeah, we know was a USB stick, USB charger, David. You think was something else? Was funny as a meme that look at Vitalik is pointing in one direction, but that was just I don't know, something charging related, something in his pocket. Who believed something else is I don't know. Anyway, let's think about it. Memes, not meme. If he did it, anyone could do it and will not get any trouble. Was funny and actually was well taught when he did it before he was elected, after Gary Gensler was out just hours after, just to make fun of him and just to say, well, fuck it. Showed and was a declaration, and it is Trump is declaring something. Trump team is saying something. We are in charge, and we can do whatever we want. We have the power now. It's that simple. That's the message. So, that being said about Trump, Trump is not crypto. Trump joined crypto, Trump pumped crypto, Trump, it's still part of the system. I don't think Trump is our savior. Yeah? Not for a fucking second. It's part of their plan. Let's keep our coins in our wallet and let's not get FOMO in the Trump coins, because Trump had some NFTs are at the lows. Trump did some, I don't know, some academies, they are gone. Trump knows how to make money for him and his team. Remember that next time when you are FOMOing in. If you are early enough, you can make money with him, but don't count he'll care about you. Or he knows how to do money for his team, and that's it. Okay. That being said about Donald Trump, tomorrow the market is closed. Some people said that is because the Trump inauguration. Some people said that we have another thing. I don't know. I don't remember exactly. Doesn't matter. If the market is closed, all the pressure will be on crypto. If a black swan event will happen or something will happen, crypto will react first and will react hard. That could form a big dark maul candle. Okay? So be careful. I don't want to see people fucking around with high leverage and big position sizes tomorrow. People, let's wait. We have Holy Grail, we have technical analysis, we have a lot of setups. We can chase if we need to. We don't need to be in the middle of the event. If the event is too big, we can destroy our portfolio. And we don't want that. Okay? So don't expose yourself too much this week or close to the Trump event. If you are on spot, you are safe. As long as you are not panic selling. If you are on leverage, you are in danger. If you don't know how to trade. If you are not profitable for months and months and months on leverage, you don't have any business to stay there. I made some nice money today. Okay, I bought Ethereum. I long the Ethereum at the bottom. I short Solana at the top. I short Trump at the top with acceptable position size. I made some money. Guess what I did with the money? I said it on Discord people already know. I'll tell you what I did with the money. I just got another spot bag of hype here. You can see what's happening here. Every time the market is trying to even touch $20, someone is saying, get the fuck up. Yeah. So people with money, not me, not you, people with a lot of money said that $20 is a good level to hide their limit orders. If they said that, who am I to say otherwise? Well, no, I want lower. Well, if we'll touch $14, more than happy to buy it. But for the moment, let's respect this level. Why I decided to buy high? Because I could see the rejection, I could see the strength here, the strong reaction, and I could get my double faster, in my opinion, on this one. So if I'm buying here $20 with my profit, and then this one will go to $40, I could recover my profit made and I could get more coins. could mean more money. Compounding. It's not bad. Okay. We have 40 minutes. People, sorry that maybe I wasn't too... I didn't give you too many ideas today, but it's that kind of environment where you don't want to overexpose. I'll be more than happy to take some requests from you, couple of them. I don't want to exceed 1 hour this time. Yeah. But any request you'll give me, I'll probably say the same. Why? Because we have a good location on higher time frame. Is that I'm hunting on 4-hour chart for some swing trades, but we're still not exactly there. Well, we traded even this weekend, but we are lowering our risk or staying on the sidelines close to the Trump inauguration. Yeah, we traded this week. We traded this weekend because we saw opportunities. I bet Stefan was driving and trading, which is not the best thing you can do, but I know he did it. He made some money. A good trader could see a good level. Okay, if you part, that's good. Yeah, that's the best thing possible. No amount of money will help you if you crash the car or you do even worse than that. So stop, do what you have to do, then start again. It's better to arrive 10-20 minutes later than to not arrive at all. And I saw too many ugly things happening because of stupid phones, and it's better not to do it. Okay. You can do two stupid things. Destroy yourself in an accident, or destroy your portfolio with a mistake. You can do both of them. So I bought some hype. Will pump until tomorrow? I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I could see a lot of altcoins pumping, or have the potential to pump. Which one will outperform? I don't know. I don't need to know. That's for sure. I just need to buy low, sell half on a double, keep the rest for the so-called super cycle. I don't know if it will be a super cycle, people, but most of us are more than happy to book 10, 20, 30x on their portfolio, and they'll live with that. They'll not be upset. We can get more than that? Well, that's a bonus. Okay? If you have any requests, people, please type in the chat. I'll be more than happy to take a look. Again, I'll say it again. Don't be bearish on Ethereum and Ethereum meme coins, on Ethereum related coins. Not here. Well, if your message is back a lot in the beginning of the live stream, I cannot see it anymore. Well, Ash, you joined our Discord and you decided that we are not for you. That's why you get that message. You joined us, you got verified, and then you said that, fuck it, I don't like these guys. So when you left, you got banned. You cannot join back. Sorry. It's right exactly in the welcoming message. If you leave the server, then you cannot join back. If your decision was that we are not good enough for you, or you don't like us, we don't take it personally. We don't get upset. We just ban you. It's a private community, and we make the rules as we see fit. And we decided that if you left the server, you will not be able to join back. Sorry. It's a private server, it's not I don't know, a democracy or something. It's a private server. We allow only people that we consider that they should stay. Okay. Let's see Doge Pepe. Let's take the Tau on lower time frame. Well, this live stream is not for lower time frame, but let's do a Tau request. What's the first one? 4-hour chart is good enough for you? I think so. For the moment, people on Tau, I don't see. On lower time frame, like Stefan said, we had this W breakout and retest, and now, but we have a range here. If I'll put a daily chart, I need more reasons. I need clearer levels to think bullish on Tau. Could Tau push to $760 to all-time high, or even $1,000? Yes. But I should invest in Tau here? Yeah, I don't know. Honestly, I don't like it. Why? Well, because it's too high. The risk reward is just not there. And I could focus my money on something that will give me at least a 10x. Buying Tau here at $460 means a 10x is 5k. Yeah, it's possible, but not likely. So I'll invest my money, I'll put my money on Tau. Nah. I could trade Tau, yes, but be careful on Tau because people on Tau, they are kind of ugly. They will SFU every time. They'll SFU multiple times and then I'll push the market. Up and down. You can see here, we form the top, then they SFU'd again just to stop everyone out and then they break it down. And here they will probably do it again and again. They will clean the market up and down, up and down. The market makers from Tau, they are really good at what they're doing. Well, if you trade on 50-minute chart geek, you should stay on the daily crypto plan. On this time, live stream is called Weekly Crypto Review. I'm not going on 50-minute chart to give you scalp or day trade ideas. Sorry. Don't be upset, but it's just not the purpose of this live stream. Tomorrow morning in the daily crypto plan, we can look at lower time frame if you want. Every time before the London session is starting, we are live streaming on YouTube for everyone for free. You can join there and see what we are planning for tomorrow. Because that's why it's called daily crypto plan, because we are planning the day. I see this level, I see this level, I see this opportunity, I see a potential setup forming here, and based on that plan, we act the entire day. Okay. Doge. Let's look at Doge, but higher time frame, people. Okay, let's look at Doge. Dogecoin. Doge on weekly chart. Let's start with weekly, please. Well, first of all, not the best location to think Doge long here. Could Doge go and do something nice, bot setup? I could see the bot setup here. It's possible. I even said AB equals CD on Doge is possible. Similar on Ripple. But is the best bet? I don't know. You can see. AB equals CD is pointing out where? Testing the highs. It's coincidence. I know. So it's possible for Doge to get there. You want to play that bot setup? Yeah, I think you have. Even if you buy market, it's a weekly double here if you close like this. Let's see what risk to reward you have. Nah, not the best. 2-to-1. So you need to go on lower time frame and find some setups with different tools. But I could see a potential AB equals CD here. Okay? I could see that. Time for me to invest in Doge? No. I have some Doge from a long time ago. I got only one order here. I don't necessarily want to invest a lot of money in a coin that is highly manipulated lately by Elon Musk. I just don't want to do that. I'm not saying it's not profitable, but I just don't feel right, and I prefer to focus on something else. So that's my view on weekly chart. On daily, we can go and see what we have. On daily, not the best location. You can take this one but you are in a short reload zone here and it's ugly on daily. Look at it. Trump inauguration tomorrow. Next week we will have a dump. And by coincidence, Doge is in the short reload zone. And I should look for long setups here? No, sorry. I just don't see the opportunity. Could go to $1, could do nice things, yes. But I will not touch Doge here. Which is my 2 cents, people. I'm not a financial advisor. Do whatever you want with your money. Wait for example, you can wait for those to reach $1 and then to buy it. It's up to you. Let's take a look at the next one. Let's see what we have. Pepe. 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 Pepe, it's Pepe. Pepe. Look at it. Let's put the weekly chart on Pepe. People, by my design, by what I learned from Brian Beamish, I'm not allowed to chase. When I see a chart like this, I'm just next one. I don't like it. I have a big fucking yam there. The meme cycle, it's at the top or close to the top, and this one has a fucking yam. What will happen if meme cycle will the money from the memes will go on something else? Well, we'll go back down here. I'll chase Pepe here. No. So from the start, from weekly chart, I could tell you I don't want to hear about this one and I don't want to touch it. It's that simple. We had the Wyckoff check, we bounced a little bit, no strength here, and we are pushing lower. It's just a fucking meme. I know. Pepe is the best meme ever. I know. But it's just a fucking meme in my opinion. And I'll pay attention. You can see here. Lower. Next weekly W. Maybe not. I don't know. But location here is terrible. Just look at it. Yeah. Could do an AB equals CD also? Yes. Could pump to great levels? Yes. But nothing I can do with it. I prefer different. We have a different approach of the market. So that's my answer. Fat. We have fat. Let's see. We have fat. Weekly chart. Well, we discussed this one, and I think you asked a lot of times. The plan is the same. Huh? We just take this one. You had a double here, breakout and retest. Now we can do it again. Huh? Simple. Give me a W. Give me a W here or lower, and then we can discuss. Similar, you can see. Shoulder, head, shoulder. I'm not suggesting you to short here. You are below 61.8. Don't short. No, never. But wait for the next W and you can buy it. Simple as that. I don't see why I should... okay, I could invest. An idea that I could buy a dollar cost averaging strategy here, and if it will go lower, I'll do it, and at some point in time we'll recover and I'll make money. But I don't see specific reasons for Fed to tell me something really nice. Weekly chart. I have Fed. Then on lower time frame, I'll buy some Fed. But look at this chart. Just look at it. I'll be more than happy to buy this one if we'll test and will close above 1.6. Why? Now, there I see, well, it's a W. I know if I could buy there, I have where to put my stop loss here. I have to trade. If I want to trade, I have to go on lower time frame for exactly daily in 4-hour chart. I have a W here on daily? Not yet. Let's try 4-hour chart. I see a W on 4-hour chart? No. So no reason for me to think for the moment. If I'll see 4-hour Ws, then I could change my mind slowly. Well, if I have a 4-hour W, maybe we can get a daily W. I could anticipate, I could frame a window of risk, and I could enter the market as a trade. AI and all the coins, they pumped, they did their thing, and that's kind of it. Yeah. Sonic Phantom, well, we need a W. They changed a lot of things. They had some hype. They pumped a lot, and now we need a W, Stefan, on Sonic. 4-hour W, daily W, weekly W. You know the drill. The bigger, the better. Okay? So, FAT just didn't perform as expected when was expected. I'm not saying will not perform. Probably it will. But that's my plan here. Sonic. Well, Stefan, if I look at Sonic, what the fuck you think I'll find on weekly chart? Nothing. Daily chart. Still nothing. We had a top of 1.6 because I don't want to overcomplicate myself and look back and see the phantom chart. No, give me a clear W here, please. Please give me a W. I will consider any location below $1 as a good location. But give me some W's, please. No W's? No trade. I'm not saying could not perform, and I think will perform well, and I'm watching Sonic. But give me something to work on. Just because it dropped from 1.6 to 68 cents and that's it, I should buy it with two hands? I don't think so. I need more reasons. Okay? So that's the idea, people. Focus on higher time frames, stay on spot. I know a lot of you want to day trade and scalp, and I know also that a lot of you are fucking around on day trading and scalping, and you are not honest with yourself. You are losing money on scalping and day trading by yourself, and you don't have enough money on swing trading, on spot, or investing. So if you even think that it's possible to be your case, go in front of the mirror and ask yourself, you are here to feel emotions in scalping, or you are here to change your life making money? Decide what you want. Day trading is not for everyone. I learned from Brian, okay? And I did the level 1. And then I did level 2, level 3. I said, well, it's okay. I don't need more. I'm not saying it's not a good level. Probably it is. And I saw people with 5 years of experience, 7 years of experience, 3 years of experience, all the levels done, and they are using little old lady. And I asked a couple of them, why? Well, it's not fit for me to day trade. It's not fit for me to even swing trade. I prefer to invest because it's sure to make money. I'm not profitable on day trading. So you think you didn't do anything, you are learning by yourself. And I saw a lot of people, I'm learning by myself. Okay, it's possible, but it will take fucking 10 years to learn by yourself. And you'll destroy yourself, you'll destroy your funds, and you'll destroy a lot of things around you. If you are not, I'll tell you exactly, if you are trading on lower time frame, lower than 1 hour, and you are using leverage, and you are not already a consistently profitable swing trader, you are just stupid. I'll tell you in the face. If you are not already 6 months, 1 year, consistently profitable, last 6 months you made good money on swing trading, and you are using leverage and you are trading on lower time frame, you are just here to feel the emotions, you are here to feel some hype, you are addicted, and you are not a trader. I had some discussion with some people and I told them the same, and I said, well, if I remember, I'll say it in the live stream. It's that simple. It's hard to even join VIP and follow Stefan or my trades. It's hard just to follow them. Not to think about them, not to just, well, your plan is simple. I'll take the trades exactly like that guys are telling me to. And it's hard to do it. And I get that feedback from people who know to trade. That was my rant for today. So if I was too blunt, sorry. If you are just an investor, you want to test, you want to go on swing trading, that's your opportunity. 3 places left. I will not do exceptions. I will not accept more than 20 people. And probably this year, I will not do another term, depending how the market will move. There are a lot of things I have to keep account. Okay? 3 places left. It's up to you if you want to join us or not. Here you have the price, you have everything. Someone was asking the price. Well, I don't need to live stream the price and yell here, and I could just. And if you are not able to find the site and find the Discord and all the things, well, just forget about it. Stay on investment. People, babysitting time on Crypto Traders Arena in the market in general is over for months ago, and I said it publicly on Discord. Babysitting is not available anymore. You have to stop fucking around and start taking the market seriously. Yeah? The message from us, from Crypto Traders Arena, was clear from the beginning when I made this community. Treat market like a business. Do this, and then the market will treat you like a king. Don't expect market to give you profit and treat you like a king if you don't do your part. If you are still fucking around and you are still trading without a plan and you are using leverage without being constantly profitable on higher time frame on spot, that means you are fucking around. Either you don't care, you are here just to feel emotions. Either you just cannot follow a plan. I don't know what's your specific case, but definitely is not a good example. Is you'll not make money in this market. Simple as that, people. Okay? In the same time, if you are just an investor and you are okay with getting an idea here and there in a live stream, whatever, please don't join premium. Stay on free part. I don't mind. I'll answer you at your message the same. Yeah? I didn't make this community. Well, I'll make money from the community. I'll take some money because I don't want to work for free, but I don't need the money. I'm not dependent on that money. I'm a trader. First time. My plan. I'm a trader, and then I have this community. And I'm taking care of this community. I love the fact that I could wake up in the morning, drink my coffee, and find a lot of ideas. Everything is clean, is nice. I know the people, I know they know what they are doing. But I still have to trade for myself. That's my decision. As you can see, I didn't intend to be an influencer. I give up on my Twitter account. I made it Crypto Traders Arena. And as you can see here, we're not trying to break the numbers. I'm not posting too much. From time to time, I'll say, well, fuck it, let's post a bit more. Let's create some hype. But I'm not that kind of I don't like to be an influencer. A teacher, yeah, I love to teach. If it's something I could show you. Well, I don't see more requests. Well, you destroyed your nerves also, Stefan, but nobody will ask me or you how much time we spend, how much effort we put, you to learn and me to teach. People will see the result. It's what it matters, in fact. Yeah. So the result is the best that could speak for you are scalping on 5-minute chart and you are consistently profitable and you are making money from stopping your car in the just taking some scalps. Yeah. You are consistent, you are making money. That tells a lot about you, that tells a lot about me. Yeah? Well, people, let's, I don't know, call it a live stream, call it a weekly crypto review. I think even if we'll have a dark maul in a short correction after the Trump, we are in the exponential move, or the exponential move, the last part of the bull market is started already. Started when Trump launched the Trump coin. The bull market changed the sentiment in the moment Trump gave that speech months ago, and I said it publicly. Well, the market is different, don't short anymore, and the exponential phase is here. With a small break, a correction, a cleanup, doesn't matter. We'll get more violent, will get harder to hold. If you don't have a plan, you don't stand a chance. I'm not saying to join our community, our premium membership or VIP to make a plan. You can make a plan by yourself from free part, but work with a plan and try to respect that plan. If you don't have a plan and your emotion will tell you when to buy and when to sell, you will end up after the bull market broke or even broker than you started. Up to you. I'm not here to be the nice guy. I'm not here to tell you stories. I'm not here to pretty please, well, join my premium. I want your $50. No. All you'll get from me, if your subscription will expire, you'll get a message 1 week before or close enough. Tell you, well, your subscription is gone. If you want to renew it, okay. If not, also okay. We are not here to fuck around. We are here to trade and help as many people as possible. But in the same time, babysitting is over. We should take things seriously. If you are not able to play correctly, don't play the game because you'll lose. Sorry. That's the harsh reality. Okay? Don't ask me how high Bitcoin could go. Nobody knows. Don't ask me where Ethereum will stop or top. Nobody knows. Or at least we don't know someone that does. This could be the super cycle called by Bob Lucas and other smart people. Yeah, could be. But super cycle means take fucking advantage, make a lot of money, because the bear market after the super cycle will be the super bear market. Will be deeper and will take longer. It's not simple. So comes to the reverse. Super cycle, super bear market. Bigger bear market, longer bear market. A lot of people, a lot of coins will disappear and things like that. For the moment, we don't have to worry about bear market. We have to worry about buying coins cheap and sell them close to the top as possible. Okay? About road to financial freedom. We didn't got doubles, so nothing we can do on that plan. The plan is still working. We are still in the plan, but because I don't have more money to put some orders, nothing I can do. Yeah? The money are locked in orders, the money are locked in shots. Just let's wait until it will happen. If you want the other plan, last chance challenge, well, you have to become a premium member and you can take that one. By the way, we start in February. We start Capua 1 and Capua 2. I recommend for people with experience to take Capua 2, not Capua 1. But if you have experience, if you are already profitable and you want to sharpen your tools and get more details and more setups, if you are a beginner, no business to stay in Capua 2. We'll select, we'll clean up, we'll have to see if you are able, if you are profitable, or if you are good enough for Capua 2. But in the same time, comes with something nice. The price you pay is not too much. Why? You will get 3 or 4 months of VIP access, and then if you want to continue on VIP after you finish the program, you'll pay only half of the fee regular for VIP. So if you intend to stay in VIP and with us for 1 year, actually you'll not pay anything extra for the program. If you want Capua 2 and you think you are qualified for that, please DM Stefan, he's taking care of it. That being said, people, I was blabbing away for 10 minutes and I didn't saw too many requests. Seems like many of you, people that are watching this live stream, are in the same situation like me. Fully engaged, capital allocated is at max, you are not allowed to buy anymore and you have to wait. I have that feeling. Please don't give up. That's my message to you. That being said, people, let's call it a live stream. See you tomorrow morning. Daily crypto plan. We can talk lower time frames there. And we'll talk about lower time frames. You can ask requests on 1 hour, 50-minute chart. It's a different kind of live stream. Until then, see you. Yep, back at trading, Stefan. Back at trading. Just extra careful with the Trump inauguration. Okay, people. See you. Bye-bye.